Hey, it's Diane here. Okay, so you're thinking of doing an online business and you've got a couple of concerns about that. First of all, your reasons are, my parents would hate it. They probably would. Or my friends would make fun of me. Yeah, they probably would until you got it up and running and making a success, and then they go, wow, how did you do that? Or I wouldn't have the support of my spouse and my family. Some people don't when they first start out, but they soon come around, and others support you from the go. So unless you try, you'll never know. Or your other reason or excuse could be, if I failed, I'd look like an idiot. Chances are you're actually avoiding something you truly care about, because caring about that thing is what scares the shit out of you. Not what mom thinks, not what the family's going to think, not what your partner's going to think, not what your friends are going to think. It's you. You're too scared to take that chance. So think about that. Great things are, by their very nature, unique and unconventional. Therefore, to achieve them, we must go against the herd mentality, and that means we don't do what everybody else does. We are unique in that we take chances, we take risks, and we put ourselves out there. And to do that, yes, it can be scary, and it is scary. You know, ask any entrepreneur who first starts an online business. It is very scary. But the joy and the passion that you get from it and the excitement that you get from actually doing it is so overweighs the scary part that it's nothing, seriously. So, embrace embarrassment. Yep, you heard me. Embrace it. Love it. Embrace that embarrassment. Feeling foolish is part of the path to achieving something important, something meaningful. And not only meaningful to you, but to others as well. The more a major life decision scares you, chances are the more you need to be doing it. And that's my message for you today. If you're scared about taking that risk and starting an online business, it means that you should already be doing it. So, put that embarrassment behind, put that nervousness away, and stop worrying about what everybody else is going to think. Just get out there and do it. And if you need help, I am here to help you. So, look forward to catching you on the other side. Have an amazing day, and I'll chat to you soon. Cheers for now. Bye.